Imagine a future where you can finally watch your favorite shows or movies on your CarPlay screen while parked. Something Apple has long resisted. But here's where it gets controversial. Starting with iOS 26, Apple is making a significant shift by allowing video playback through CarPlay. This new feature, dubbed Video in the Car, is a game changer for many, but the road to full implementation is likely to be bumpy. Apple's developer website, https://developer.apple.com/CarPlay, now includes information about integrating AirPlay video into CarPlay apps. The description reads, AirPlay video in the car enables people to watch their favorite videos from iPhone right on their CarPlay display when they aren't driving. Integrates support for CarPlay with AirPlay video to enable this feature in your car. This is a major step forward, especially for those who have long wished for this functionality. For developers and automakers interested in incorporating this feature, Apple points them to the MFI program, https://mfi.apple.com. This program provides the necessary guidelines and support to ensure that CarPlay apps can seamlessly integrate video playback capabilities. Interestingly, a third-party app managed to sneak a CarPlay web browser with video playback through the App Store review process in April. /925mac.com/2025 CarPlay app with web browser for streaming video hits App Store. However, video playback while parked will be officially sanctioned for the first time since CarPlay's inception. It's important to note that this doesn't mean every car will immediately support this feature. Each automaker will have the final say on whether to enable AirPlay video in the car. This decentralized approach could lead to a fragmented user experience, with some car models offering the feature and others not. Additionally, don't expect to see this feature during the iOS 26 developer or public beta periods. Even after the official release in September, it's uncertain when we'll see widespread support, as it requires explicit approval from automakers. We'll keep you updated as more manufacturers start to adopt this new capability. Beyond video playback, iOS 26 brings several other enhancements to CarPlay. These include redesigned icons and appearance options, widget support, and updates to apps like music and messages. 9to5mac.com, 2025-06-09, CarPlay and iOS 26 liquid glass app widgets refreshed apps. These improvements aim to make the CarPlay experience more intuitive and engaging. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the prospect of watching videos on your CarPlay screen? Or do you think this could lead to more distractions while driving, even when parked? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Originally published June 12, 2025. Updated with note about availability expectations on August 13, 2025. Add 9to5Mac to your Google Newsfeed. newsgoogle.com/publications CAAQGGGMLOFATDAEN. FTC. We use income earning auto affiliate links. More. https://news.google.com/publications. 9to5mac.com. About/affiliate.